Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you quick fix for slow loading and lagging on YouTube. The YouTube buffering problem can be caused by these issues: overload server, internet or router issues, browser cache, and IP address range. If you're having YouTube running slow issues, don't panic. You can use the methods in this video to fix the problem. Method 1. Change the URL. This is a trick to fix the problem. We have no idea why it works, but it works for some Windows or phones user who were experiencing the same issue as you. Just two simple steps. Open the YouTube or video that you want to watch. Then, replace www in the URL with CA, just like this. Method 2. Use a VPN. VPN can boost the speed. There are many paid VPNs and free VPNs. If you don't have a budget to purchase a VPN, find a free one online. However, the paid VPN is recommended to better protect your privacy. If you're not sure how to choose the right VPN, I recommend using NordVPN. You can get NordVPN coupons and promo codes to get a discount. NordVPN is a well-known VPN around the world. If you purchase it right now, you can get 75% off. Hopefully, you can resolve YouTube running slow issues with these tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comment below. Method 3. Choose a lower quality settings. Even though Google is trying its best to reduce loading time, server errors still happen sometimes due to heavy traffic. You cannot improve the traffic, but you can choose to watch the video at a lower quality level. Open the YouTube, tap on the video, then click the settings gear icon at the right corner and select quality. Then choose a lower quality than the one you're currently using. Try all lower quality one by one until the problem resolves. After that, if the problem persists, try the next method. But for me, it is automatic. Method 4. Clear cache. It's good to clear the cache often. When you load the first time, the browser caches everything in order to load faster next time. This will make the browser store too much temporary data, which can cause YouTube to run slow. If you've cached the data, skip this method. If not, clear the cache and see if it works. The steps to clear the cache depend on the browser you're using. Following will show you how to clear the cache. Tap on the settings, scroll down, and look for apps. Tap on the search bar and search YouTube. Now, select storage and then clear cache. And the last method, block two IP address ranges. Hopefully, you can fix the YouTube running slow issue with these methods. Usually, you watch the video from CDN, but not directly from YouTube. In this case, ISPs will throttle the connection speed from you to these CDNs. This will lead to YouTube videos loading slowly. Blocking two IP address ranges for these CDNs can solve the problem. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.